Hey everyone, thank you for joining in for this week's Just the Tip. Today I'm going to talk about something that irks me just a little bit. So you hear people talk about how they don't like the word functional. I don't like functional. Okay, here's what I want you to think about. From an organizer's perspective, when we come into anyone's home, we do want that home to be functional for you and for your family members. So what does that mean? Typically, that means putting away things in a way that makes sense for how you or whomever is in your home operate. So if you're telling me that you don't like functional, I then say, what do you consider functional? Because it could be very different. For somebody who's running in and out of the house with kids and, lots of busy schedules, functional might mean drop zone here, pickup zone here, schedule that digital calendar here. Okay. For you, that might not be functional or may not be aesthetically pleasing, but maybe for you, you don't have children, you can just easily walk into your home. But let me ask you this, where are you going to set down your keys? Where are you going to put your coat? Where are you going to put your shoes on? That's function, and it matters. And so what I'm saying is, if you're opposed to the word functional, I want you to think about what do I do from day to day and how is that important in my life? And it does matter. So for those of you not liking functional, this video is not for you. But for those of you who understand, I love it, and let's make your life more functional so you can be efficient and do the things you love. Stepping off my soapbox now. Goodbye.